Easy Homemade Vanilla Ice Cream Recipe. Title: Easy Homemade Vanilla Ice Cream Recipe. Introduction. Ice cream is a beloved dessert enjoyed by people of all ages. Among the vast array of flavors available, vanilla remains a classic, timeless favorite. Making your own homemade vanilla ice cream allows you to tailor it to your personal taste, and the process can be both enjoyable and rewarding. In this article, we will guide you through a simple, step-by-step recipe to create a creamy and decadent homemade vanilla ice cream that will rival any store-bought version. Ingredients. To make approximately 1 quart of vanilla ice cream, you will need the following ingredients: 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Instructions. 1. Prepare the ice cream base. Start by whisking together the heavy whipping cream, whole milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and salt in a large mixing bowl. Ensure that the sugar dissolves completely to avoid graininess in the final product. 2. Chill the mixture. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour or, ideally, overnight. Chilling the mixture allows the flavors to meld together and prepares it for the churning process. 3. Churn the mixture. Following the instructions of your ice cream maker, pour the chilled mixture into the machine and churn it according to the manufacturer's guidelines. This typically involves running the machine for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until the mixture reaches a soft serve consistency. 4. Optional, incorporate mix-ins. If desired, you can add various mix-ins to your vanilla ice cream during the last few minutes of churning. Popular choices include chocolate chips, crushed cookies, berries, or even small pieces of fruit. Be creative and experiment with your favorite flavors. 5. Transfer and freeze. Once the ice cream reaches the desired consistency, transfer it into an airtight container. Smooth the top with a spatula or the back of a spoon, ensuring a level surface. Cover the container tightly and freeze for at least 4 hours, or until firm. 6. Serving and storage. To serve your homemade vanilla ice cream, scoop it into bowls or cones and enjoy as is, or pair it with your favorite toppings such as chocolate sauce, caramel, or fresh fruit. Remember to return any leftovers to the freezer promptly, storing them in an airtight container to maintain their creamy consistency. Tips and variations. For a richer flavor, you can substitute half of the heavy whipping cream with an equal amount of half and half. To infuse additional flavor into the ice cream, consider adding a vanilla bean to the mixture. Score the bean lengthwise and scrape out the seeds, adding both the beans and the seeds to the mixture. Remove the bean before churning. For a creamy texture, it is essential to fully chill the mixture before churning. This ensures that the ice cream freezes evenly and acquires that signature velvety consistency. 7. Add your personal touch. While this recipe provides a basic vanilla ice cream, feel free to get creative and add your personal touch. You can infuse the mixture with other flavors such as caramel, coffee, or mint by adding extracts or syrups. Alternatively, you can stir in chunks of your favorite candy or drizzle in some fudge or caramel sauce during the churning process. 8. Experiment with non-dairy options. For those who are lactose intolerant or follow a dairy-free lifestyle, you can still enjoy homemade vanilla ice cream. Substitute the heavy whipping cream and whole milk with non-dairy alternatives. Coconut milk, almond milk, or cashew milk. These alternatives can provide a creamy texture and a unique flavor profile. 9. Healthier alternatives. If you're looking to make a healthier version of vanilla ice cream, you can reduce the amount of sugar used or substitute it with a sweetener of your choice, such as honey or maple syrup. Additional. Why? You can use low-fat milk or a combination of milk and Greek yogurt to reduce the fat content without compromising on taste. 10. Get creative with toppings. Elevate your homemade vanilla ice cream by adding a variety of toppings. Consider adding fresh fruit, crushed nuts, sprinkles, or whipped cream. You can even go a step further and make your own hot fudge or berry sauce to drizzle over the top. The possibilities are endless, so let your imagination run wild. 11. Serve with complementary desserts. Vanilla ice cream is a versatile dessert that can be paired with various other treats to create a more elaborate dessert experience. Use it to make milkshakes, root beer floats, ice cream sandwiches, or sundaes. The mild flavor of vanilla makes it the perfect base to complement other flavors and textures. 12. Share and enjoy. After following this recipe and exploring different variations, share your homemade vanilla ice cream with loved ones. It's the perfect treat for summer barbecues, birthday parties, or casual get-togethers. The joy of watching others savor your creation is an added bonus that makes the effort worthwhile. 13. Storage and shelf life. If stored properly in an airtight container, homemade vanilla ice cream can be kept in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. However, it is best enjoyed within the first few days to ensure optimal taste. ND texture. Be sure to label the container with the date it was made for reference. 14. Enjoy the satisfaction. As you indulge in your homemade vanilla ice cream, take a moment to appreciate the satisfaction that comes from creating something delicious from scratch. The process of making ice cream can be therapeutic and rewarding, allowing you to unwind and exercise your creativity in the kitchen.